and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with my full get ready with me routine. So my skincare, makeup and fashion. If you guys are keen for today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and we can get started. In the mornings, I start off by doing my skincare routine. The first thing I use is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. Even though technically this is a makeup remover, I like to use it just as a normal cleanser in the mornings, just because it's really, really light. Next, it's time for moisturizer. I just use the Clinique Moisture Surge because it's really gentle and my skin just loves it. Moving on to makeup, the foundation I use is always the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation in the shade Pure. Then I go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Setting Powder. This makes my makeup last for ages. For eyeliner, I like to use the Clinique Pretty Easy Eyeliner Pen. It's really, really thin, which helps me to get a very precise line. For mascara, I use the Clinique Mascara in black. Makes my lashes look super full and really, really volumized, which is something I really need because my lashes are tiny. For my eyebrows, I use the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow in the shade number 3 Brown. Then for face makeup, I use the Clinique Cheek Pop in Melon Pop. This is a really pretty kind of like raspberry watermelon color, which I love so much. For my lips, I'm just using this pink Clinique Lipstick. It's one of my favorites because it adds a little bit of color to my otherwise very pale skin. And then to finish off, I just use a little bit of e.l.f. setting spray and this Breeze perfume. And yes, I did just get that in my eyeball. Alright, so as for today's outfit, I decided to go with this plain grey jumper from Cotton On. It's one of my absolute favorites because it is literally so comfortable. And then for pants, I wanted to wear these red plaid pants from H&M. I literally never wear these because they are so like bright, but I think they go really well with the neutral jumper. And overall, I'm really, really happy with today's outfit choice. Of course, it's super important to start your day off with a balanced breakfast. So I'm going to be making a little bit of green tea. Personally, I hate the taste of green tea, but I drink it anyway because I know it's really healthy. For today's breakfast, I'm going to be making a super easy mushroom, spring onion, cheese and ham omelette. All you have to do is slice up some mushroom and melt butter in a pan. Then pour in 2 mixed eggs and let cook. When the egg's halfway cooked, add the mushrooms and spring onion. Let it cook for a little bit further and then add tasty cheese and ham. I also like to add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese for extra cheesiness. I let it cook for a little bit further and then put the lid on. You know it's completely cooked when all the cheese is melted. And that's my breakfast. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you're interested in picking up any of the products that I mentioned, I will pop them all in the description box. And I do actually have a very special offer from Clinique for today. So if you go into the description box and you click on the link for any of the Clinique products, Clinique will automatically send you not 1 but 2 special treats with every single order. You don't have to put in any kind of coupon codes or any kind of like deals or whatever. Just literally click the link to any of the Clinique products in the description box and they will add 2 special presents to every single order. And of course, you can always follow me on social media. My Instagram is @Holcee12 and my Twitter is also @Holcee12. You can check out my blog, it's holcee.wordpress.com. If you'd like to make a donation to my channel, the link is in the description box below. And if you'd like to become a Patreon of my channel, the link is also in the description below. So basically, for $1 a month, you get access to exclusive news and benefits, a sticker sheet and a membership card. And then if you want to pay a little bit extra, only $5 a month, you get everything I mentioned earlier, but you also get early access to my videos and you also get an exclusive planner template. So if you're interested in any of those benefits, make sure you do become a Patreon member and they will be right to your inbox. Thank you guys for watching this video today and I'll see you next time. Bye!